Can we eat it?
I want it first.
Stay calm. I have a plan.
Quiet stealth mode. Oops. You made squishy sound.
Focus, team!
Follow me. Victory is close.
Yes, Boss Cat.
I'm ready.
Speed time! I got... Oh!
Dog down. Dog down. This is embarrassing.
That was awesome! You're super muddly now!
Very messy strategy. Genius plan activated.
Stretch more!
This might work. After it. Move fast. I see it. I see it.
Don't let it escape! I didn't plan this slide.
I can't stop spinning.
Mud is evil.
Mine.
Sharing maybe?
Focus on landing first.
New plan. Less sliding. I like slide like carrot.
I almost had it!
Run faster.
Stay together. Dog, move forward. I'm trying.
Push with your legs.
I'm spinning!
This is fun. This is not fun.
Nobody move. I got this. Holding breath.
I'm excited.
Why splash again? Cold water!
Unacceptable. Market chase mode. Watch the baskets.
Stay focused.
Wait, perfect timing.
Jump now?
Wait, wait.
Group hug? Not helpful.
We're falling.
I'm tired.
Worth it.
Finally. Next time, I bring snacks.
I want bigger piece. Victory snack time.